Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to size your image in your Wix desktop website and then in your Wix mobile website. So first we'll just find an image that we want to change the size. For example, I want to change the size of this image. Let's just click this. And then sometimes you won't click the image immediately. Once you've done that, you can just right click on the website and then click on overlapping items and then go to image. So if it's not here, let's just go right here. And then again, I just left click on the image and then we can now see the image item in overlapping items. So let's just click on image and then now we can freely move our image. And in order to size your image, you can just simply drag and drop the points of the image around it. So if you want to size your image more properly, you can just use the diagonal point so that you can maintain the aspect ratio of your image. So for example, if I want to change the image using the vertical points or the horizontal points, we can actually change the aspect ratio of our image. But we need to be careful since using this can sometimes distort our image size. So for example, I'm happy with this image. Let's just drag it back here. And then that's it. That's how you size your image in your desktop Wix website. For the mobile Wix website, let's just click on this one. Let's just switch to the mobile version of our website once we click on this icon. And then once we click on it, we can now see that the website has changed into the size of a mobile version. And then once we find our image from earlier, which is this one, we can edit the size of this as well. So once you double click an image, you can choose if you want to zoom the image and then crop the image into anything that you want, into a circle, into a triangle, and so on and so forth. Maybe you want to flip the image, you can click this one as well. I'm sorry, this is the reset shape proportions. So that's why the image became a square. And then you want to flip the image, you can just click this. And then if you want to flip the image vertically, you can just click this icon. And then I don't want to make any changes, so I'll just cancel it. And then again, if I want to change the size of the image, let's just use the diagonal point as much as possible. But if you want to use the vertical and horizontal points, you can use them as well. And that is it for how to change the size of your image in your desktop and mobile version. So you can just go back to the desktop version again, and then you will see that changing the desktop version does not automatically change the mobile version. So that's why you need to edit them manually so that you can see as well if the pictures look good in your preferences. And then that is it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned how to size your own image on your Wix website versions.